Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 6.2 question number 10. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at a point O. Now we have drawn a quadrilateral, that is a four-sided figure, such that they have given these ratios are equal. We need to show that ABCD is a trapezium. So first basically we have taken a quadrilateral, that is, so ABCD is a quadrilateral. So let us take ABCD is a quadrilateral in the beginning. Now they have given us, so we have given with the condition. So given, what is given in the question is ABCD is a quadrilateral is given in the question. Then one more important condition also given, that is AO by BO, which is equal to CO by DO is given. From this given condition we can make one more new condition, because they have given the diagonals are meet at the point O, because AO is here, BO is this side. AO by OB is equal to OC by OD. That is a given condition. From this one, a small simplification we are doing it. What does it means? From this one we can write the denominator BO, I am going to take it to other side. It will become multiplication. That means it will go to numerator. Then this multiplication CO, that is a numerator. If you bring it to this side, that will come to denominator. So AO by CO can be written as BO by DO. This we are getting from the given condition, because this is already given in your question itself. Now this is a condition that this is easy for us. AO by OC is equal to BO by OD is a given condition. Now let us take this is equation number 1. Actually final question is, we need to show that ABCD is a trapezium. So trapezium means the basic condition for trapezium, one of the sides should be parallel. Any one of the sides should be parallel. We need to prove that AB side and CD side are parallel. We need to prove. So to prove, I am going to write it here. So to prove AB is a side which is parallel to CD, we have to prove this only. Now proof. So how to prove this? Before going to the proof, the small construction we are going to do it in this diagram. So before going to the proof, we have to do small construction. Construction is very simple. For this line AB, we are going to draw one more line parallel to AB from O. I am just drawing here. This line we are going to consider as E, that is OE. This line is OE. So we have construction OE is parallel to AB. So construction OE is parallel to AB. This is your construction. So after the construction we are going to start the proof. By BPT theorem we can apply to prove this. It's, using BPT is very easy for us. Looking at the diagram, OE is a line which is parallel to AB. So look at this triangle ADB. So in triangle ADB, in this triangle, so we have given with the line EO is parallel to AB. EO, this is EO, this is parallel to AB. BPT condition, DE by EA is equal to DO by OB. That is a BPT condition. So we can write it DE by EA, which is equal to DO by OB. Very easily we can write the BPT condition. This one by this and this by this. Like this we can write it. That is under BPT condition. Write it BPT here. Now compare this one with the first equation. Here we are getting DO by OB, but here we have given with BO by DO. So just a reciprocal if you are doing means we can get the same right hand side. So here we are going to do the reciprocal. To compare only we are doing this. Doing the reciprocal on both sides. Reciprocal on both sides. This will give you EA by DE, which is equal to OB by OD. OD or DO, anything we can write it. Now this is our second equation. Now this is your first equation, this is your second equation. Let us compare these two. Why we are comparing means because our right hand sides are equal. OB by DO, OB by DO we are getting from 1 and 2. We are comparing 1 and 2. So we will be getting a result. Since the right hand sides are equal, left hand side also equal. So we can write it AO by CO is equal to EA by DE we are getting. Now look at this in your diagram. AO by CO, that is AO by CO equal to EA by DE. EA by DE. We are getting the BPT again. AO by OE is equal to AE by DE we are getting. Now what we can say is according to the converse of BPT in the reverse order, we are getting the ratios are equal. Definitely this EO line is parallel to DE. Then only this condition will be possible. So we can write it by converse of BPT theorem. By converse of BPT we can say that OE is definitely parallel to DC. Now already we have drawn the line which is OE is parallel to AB. Now we got OE is parallel to DC also. So the OE is a line already parallel to AB. Now it is parallel to CD also. So what we can say is definitely AB and CD is also parallel. So one pair of the sides are parallel. We can say that ABCD is a trapezium. That is our proof. Finally we have to write it in this way. Now, so OE is a line which is parallel to AB as well as parallel to DC. So one pair of the, that is a very important condition for the trapezium. One pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral are parallel. That will be a trapezium definitely. Quadrilateral are parallel. Here only one pair we are able to prove. That's why it is a trapezium. If both the sides are parallel, it will be called as a parallelogram. So parallel, we can say that ABCD is a trapezium. That is your proof. Thank you students. Thank you for watching. Like our video, subscribe our channel.